In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resell AirPods on Facebook Marketplace and avoid the nuisance of listing removal. Selling pre-loved tech gadgets like AirPods has become increasingly popular, and Facebook Marketplace is a fantastic platform for reaching local buyers. But there are a few steps you need to follow to ensure a smooth process. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty details. The first thing you need to do is familiarize yourself with Meta's commerce policies. This is crucial because compliance with these guidelines is essential for your listing to remain active. These policies cover everything from prohibited content to the types of items that can be sold. It's all about keeping the marketplace safe and trustworthy, so always stay updated with any changes or new rules that may apply. Now, before you list your AirPods, you'll want to remove them from your Apple account. This step is important because it ensures that the new owner won't run into any issues trying to connect them to their devices. To do this, open the settings on your iPhone, go to Bluetooth, find your AirPods on the list, and select Forget this device. This online detachment prepares the AirPods for a fresh start with their new owner. The presentation is key, especially when competing against numerous listings. Take a few moments to carefully clean your AirPods. Use a small, soft brush to remove any dust or debris from the delicate areas and wipe them down with a cloth slightly dampened with water or isopropyl alcohol. Shiny, well-maintained gadgets not only appeal more to buyers but also signal that they have been well cared for. Resetting the AirPods is another critical step before listing them. This removes any previous connections and brings them back to their factory settings, ensuring they're ready for the next user. Simply hold the setup button on the back of the AirPods case until the status light flashes amber, then white. This quick reset will prevent any connectivity issues for the buyer. You're now ready to put the AirPods up on your listing. Take high-quality photos, write an honest description that mentions the condition, any accessories included, and why you're selling them. Ensure the price reflects their value and is competitive with similar listings. Alternatively, if you're exploring other selling avenues, consider platforms like eBay or Craigslist, each with their unique advantages and audience reach. Regardless of where you sell, presenting your AirPods well and providing clear, honest details increases your chances of a fast sale. Lastly, consider selling through a trusted account with good reviews, if available. Having a solid reputation can significantly boost buyer confidence and increase the likelihood of a successful transaction. By presenting yourself as a reliable seller and following these steps, you're well on your way to a hassle-free selling experience on Facebook Marketplace. Happy selling!